Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record on your iPhone screen. So this is a full guide for you. First is to open your settings and then scroll down a bit and tap Control Center. Now here you'll be able to see what are included on your controls. So as you can see, screen recording is or has been included already. So let's just tap this sign. Let's remove this in here. So probably you will see screen recording in this part. So just tap the plus button and you'll be able to see it in here. So it means these are included on your controls. So you'll be able to find your controls by sliding down, and then you'll be able to see that it means that it is recording. So that red button means recording. Now if you want to stop recording, just tap that and then you'll be able to find your recordings on your gallery. So that's it. Very easy to use and very accessible in case you want to record from your screen on your iPhone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.